Provide a biblical passage that captures your module learning journey. From this module, I understood that it requires humility, selflessness, and an actual desire to serve. I also realized that perhaps more than following rules or regulations, discipleship involves developing an intimate personal relationship with Jesus. Number 2. What are the significant learning activities that I have done in the module? I engage in activity by thinking about how I can demonstrate Christ-like virtues in my daily life. I also tried to relate the lessons to real-life applications such as being kind and forgive in bad situation. Number 3. What are the significant realization or learning that made an impact on my formation as a letronite in this module? I have found is being reflective and being proactive in applying lessons. Additionally, it shows a weakness and consistency with respect to following the teachings of Jesus, whether through interruptions or failures. 4. What I what do I feel my learning experiences and challenges encountered in this module? I had the balanced time for meditation with other responsibilities. I also found it difficult to fully express the teaching of Jesus in moments of stress or conflict. This moment reminded me that discipleship is an ongoing journey, not a one-time task. That's all. Thank you.